ProFusionExpo 2025. Today we are meeting the live stream king, and we met him at Hollyland booth. And welcome.
Welcome.
How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, so let's talk more about the live stream.
Okay, so we do live stream productions in Toronto, Canada, the States, anywhere pretty much. We've done over 700 live streams. We do weddings, we do concerts, we do corporate events, conferences, even funerals. We've streamed pretty much anything. We're working on a TV truck to do some sport productions. We also, have streamed Drake, we've streamed Trump, we've done a lot of high profile
You
stuff.
are from the biggest companies in live streaming industry, actually, in Toronto and in Canada, let's say it in this way.
Yeah.
And you are doing very well. We saw your company everywhere. So how you describe this experience? Like, how is it?
So live streaming is very interesting because what it is for everyone is it saves cost, firstly, for a lot of people. They don't need to be physically present. And what it is connecting people from different geographical locations. So before, when you'd have people missing events, now you actually have people who are able to feel like they're there with you, whether it's a wedding, whether it's a funeral, whether it's a corporate event. People who do corporate events are able to actually see everything and do presentations remotely without having to fly in just to do that. They're able to do it on Zoom, which is also a live stream platform. We stream weddings and funerals just so that everybody now feels that they're part of the event, right? That's very big. That's very key. I think COVID was a big factor in propelling live streaming forward because now everybody understands how important it is to live stream, and it's more standard to have somebody streaming at your event.
Awesome. And I think we are now one of your secrets now, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell us more about Hollyland?
So Hollyland has been a staple for me for the past few years. Since I've started video transmissions, Hollyland was always a big deal. For me, the amount of time it would take to run wires and tape down, it's just too much and very impractical. You have a guy on a monopod, you have a guy on a gimbal, right? You don't want a wire hanging out. These guys, the pricing is ridiculous. When I see some of the pricing myself, I'm like, there's no way, because 5 years ago, maybe 10 years ago, the pricing for anything within this realm was maybe 5 to 10 times the price. And the technology that you have now just wasn't possible then. So we use a lot of their products. I am a dealer for them myself in Toronto. So if anybody wants, but mainly the wireless intercom systems and the wireless transmission systems, very key. We use them in pretty much every single live stream that we do.
This actually, yeah, because I use it by my own self and in my videos, in my photos sessions also, as transmissions and receivers. And I like the way how it's worked. It's very high quality.
Yeah.
And comparing to the price, the quality that I'm getting it's amazing. And it's less, let's say, headache, from the wires, from using all these things. So I love it, and I love the quality, and it's amazing.
Yeah.
What we have today here?
Okay, so this is the new range of consumer microphones. These are pretty good. These are very small, has a charging case and has receivers. These guys, for below $100 to get 2 mics, it's like ridiculous. So you have a USB-C and you have a Lightning, depending on which
device you are using.
This is just a receiver.
Yeah.
So what's cool about this is you can plug it in directly into your phone and you can do a phone interview, right? We have some other options which has a 3.5 for 1/8 inch. This inputs into your microphone jack for your camera. Very nice. These clip on, and what's cool about some of them is They have 32-bit float,
Oh, okay.
and it also comes with a receiver. So if you wanted to plug in for your phone, very easy. This can also do to your phone or to your computer. Doesn't have to be for your phone as alone. It can also be to your computer.
And actually, the weight is not that heavy. Like,
Yeah,
very light.
very light. Charging case again, right? This guy is pretty interesting. This is actually headphones which allow you to monitor the feed coming out. But what's cool is it's around the air. It doesn't go inside your ear.
Oh, okay.
So it just goes around, right? And the audio comes out. So instead of having to worry about, if it's clean or any sanitary issues, no, this also comes with a charging case. Very nice and easy. Some of these here. Oh, whoops. Okay, yes, do that. Some of these here are actually very nice to clip on. This is the mic. So you can
Very comfortable, actually.
clip this on. Very small, lightweight.
Oh, okay.
And you have your receivers as well. So a lot of the receivers, they come with USB-C options in case you want to use your computer or in case you want to use your phone. Very easy to switch. This guy here, we get into the video transmission.
Yeah.
This is the latest, which hasn't been released as yet. This is the Pyro Ultra. This is 4K 60. So this will broadcast 4K 60. It does HDMI and SDI as well. Has some extra receivers. The pricing on this has not been announced, so I can't give you a pricing on this. But this should be by end of the year.
Yeah, but it's the same distance, like 400.
No,
or
this
bigger more?
is further distance. This is further
okay.
distance. So you also have these guys. The difference with this is 4K 30, right? But this does 1300 feet of range.
Oh, okay.
Right? Very nice HDMI, SDI. It can do one transmitter to 4 receivers. So if you wanted to do a receiver at your video village or for your focus puller or for your director's monitor or just for a talent screen, it's very easy to have that set up from one specific transmitter.
Oh,
And you can run multiples as well. And it also has USB out for UVC. And then we have the Cosmos C2.
Yeah.
So this guy actually is one receiver, but it receives from 2 signals. So 2 of these.
Okay, that's good.
So you can have one signal and you have HMI and SDI on one side, HMI and SDI on the other side, and it connects and it does, I think, 3,000 feet. So it's,
Wow.
yeah, and milliseconds is about, I think, 30 milliseconds of latency. So it's almost unnoticeable.
Wow, this is great.
So there's a lot of products that we use as well for video transmission. We have the Solidcom headsets. There's the new SE Pro, which is a consumer model. We have the C1 Pro, which is more pro grade, and then they have, expanding on that, systems that you can use for Pro AV or for broadcast trucks with Dante, walkie-talkie converters, 4-wire, 2-wire, tons of features.
Yeah, and in the end, it's Hollyland. It's the best in the market in this industry, actually. And I have a question about that.
So,
Let's see this part. This transmission for your mobile,
Yes.
for your camera.
yes.
That's what I saw actually recently. I saw it on social media that this device transferred your camera picture with whole setting to your phone, to your mobile. Which is, can you tell us more about this?
So what's pretty cool about this is it has your HDMI in. It also had a card reader.
Oh.
So if you wanted to record some stuff, you can. USB output and USB input for charging. It has a built-in battery. That's why it has a little bit of weight to it. Nice hot shoe. So if we were doing this interview and we wanted to see how we're looking without having to run behind the camera and then come back, what's easy is we're able to pull out our mobile phone and just easily be able to see the camera feed, right? Or maybe we're on a set and we have the producer or the client that wants to see what is coming out from the camera, whether it's photos or videos. It's very easy for them.
there is no delay on it. Oh, sorry. There is no delay in the picture. Like it's live viewed directly.
Yeah.
And it's like, because what I saw in actually in social media, they are talking about this device. It's an amazing device for photographer, even like to transfer your picture that's very fast, and video also. So the delay, let's say the minimum thing that will be happen, but it's amazing device for everyone, not for videographer. It's also for photographers.
Yes. So
It's
you can
amazing.
do, you can do camera control
Yes.
as well, right? Which is really good because sometimes you have a setup somewhere and you might want to trigger. Maybe the camera is shooting overhead. Maybe you're doing tabletop.
Exactly.
For example, you're doing food photography or product photography. You can connect this, and then from the app, you're able to trigger as well.
Yeah.
Makes
So we can say, guys, this is the tethering cable, new version, but no cable now. Okay.
cables.
So we're not using cable. Thank you, Hollyland, to produce something like this for us. Do we have the price for it or not yet?
The pricing for we have a specific pricing for this show, but I'll have to get you the exact pricing on this. But I believe it's sub $300.
Okay, actually, it's good price for all
Yeah.
this quality and service they're giving us.
Yeah.
Amazing. Okay, so brother, thank you again. It was my pleasure.
Okay.
And it's our pleasure to be here today with you, the live stream king, and Hollyland together.